All right, welcome back, guys, to another YouTube video. So today we're going to start with a new topic called as operators. So what are operators? First of all, you can see operators are something like used to perform operations on variables and values. So we have seen what are variables. Like for example, you have int x equals to 10, and where uh, 10 can be a value and x is a variable which stores and take value 10. In that case, when we talk about this thing called as operators, so operators are something where we have an operand and the values. So in that case, let's talk about some operators we have. So we have number of operators available in Java. You can see we have like arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, and so on and so forth. First, let's talk about the operators we have. You have these operators like arithmetic operators. And we have seen what are arithmetic operators. Maybe we have already used it, operators, but we don't know if we call these as an operator. So in that case, you might have heard or maybe observed this in our mathematics class as well. You have plus, minus, you have a subtraction, sorry, multiplication, a division, and a modulus. So these are the major five operators we have in arithmetic operators, although there are more, but we're going to talk about those in later. So why and how exactly we can use this arithmetic operators? So let's see an example. I'm going to probably cut this, paste this somewhere down. Okay, so let's see an example. I'm going to take a variable as int x equals to 10 and int y equals to 20. Okay, now let's see if I wanted to add these two numbers and store into a third variable. So what I can do is basically I'll take a variable name as sum, and I'll say x plus y. All right, and so here we can say the plus is an operator here right now, which works on the two operands. These are called as an operands x and y, and sum is a variable which takes care of, or which is where exactly we are going to store the value of x plus y. So if you see, I'm going to print this out, and I'll say sum of two numbers, and I'll print out the sum. So in that case, this x, or you can say the plus, this is an operator. And if I run it, I'll probably get the sum exactly equals to 30. Okay, so sum of two numbers is 30. So this is called arithmetic operator. Similar way, you have other operators like minus sign. This can gives you the subtraction of two numbers, and you get minus 10. Similar way, you have other operators like we have in mathematics, multiplication sign, which will give you the multiplication of two numbers. And then you have division. And similar way, you get division, and probably I'm not going to get the best result out of it as a division because 0, because the reason being is we are taking the integer values and anything after that, and then division by 20 is going to be less than I think it's less it's something in the decimal, so that's why we are not getting. Probably I can make this one into double, and I can make this one as a double as well. And now we should be able to see the result of these two numbers. And yeah, sorry, it's saying sum, but yeah, it's like 0.5 for the division. There is another operator called as a modulus operator, which actually gives you the remainder of the division. So remainder of two numbers. For example, if you divide 10, or actually let's take these numbers probably. I'll say 3 and I'll say 5 here. So if you divide a number 5 by 3, you're going to get 2 as a remainder. So in that case, if you see, we're getting 2 as a remainder. That's why this is a modulus operator. So this is all about the arithmetic operators. We're going to talk about assignment operators in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.